Let's take a couple of moments and we'll walk through the AM/FM radio section on Pioneer's MVH-X380BT. So to get to the AM/FM tuner, let's just press the source button a couple of times. There's auxiliary, Bluetooth audio, and back around to the AM/FM radio. So right now we can see we're on FM band number 1 and the frequency tuned in is 89.3. To tune in a different frequency, we can use the track buttons right here. So if we press the track button once up to the right, we'll move to the next available frequency. If you press and hold the track button for a couple of seconds, you'll seek to the next strong radio station. We can do that back down in the other direction. The MVH-X380BT gives us 18 FM radio station presets and 6 AM radio station presets. We have 6 buttons right across the bottom here. Now if I am on FM band number 1, if I press the band button, I switch over to FM band 2, that gives us 6 more radio station presets. Press band again, we're on FM 3, 6 more radio station presets. Press band again, we move over to the AM band, and that gives us 6 radio station presets. Press band one more time, and we come back around to the initial FM number 1 and our initial 6 radio station presets. To create a radio station preset, just tune in your favorite radio station. So we'll press and hold here for a couple of seconds. Tune in a radio station, and then press and hold one of the buttons, for example number 3, for a couple of seconds till the 3 stops flashing on the screen. And now that's locked in 92.9 as FM radio station number 3, preset number 3 on FM band number 1. Radio station presets work exactly the same way on the AM band. Let's check out the function menu on the AM/FM tuner. So we'll press in on the volume control and roll along until we find the function menu. Here's function, and press enter. And we'll start with BSM, or Best Stations Memory. If I press in on the volume control, Best Station Memory will scan through the entire FM spectrum and lock in the 6 strongest radio stations that you're receiving right now into your radio station presets. It's a great way to find radio station presets when you're on a long drive or when you're just looking for some quick radio stations. This works the same way on FM as it does on AM. We'll press in on the volume control again and go back to the function menu, and we'll press enter and go over to our next setting, which is our local setting. Right now, local is set to level number 1. We can press in on the volume control and go to local 2, 3, or 4. Touch it one more time, and the local setting is switched off. So with the local setting switched off, when I seek to the next available radio station, press and hold the track button for a couple seconds. The radio will find every noise on the dial, even the very weakest signals. If I switch local on to level number 1, it will start to filter out the weak signals. As I take the local setting up to all the way to level number 4, only the very strongest radio stations will tune in on the AM/FM radio. Let's roll over to the next setting, which is our seek method. We have 2 options here, manual or preset channel seek method. So right now in the manual method, we have our track settings here. We can press and hold the arrow keys to find radio stations. If we switch this over to the preset mode, now my track settings here, when I press up or down, I'll move to my radio station presets set into the system for me. And we'll roll over back to the Best Station Memory setting. At any time, you can exit this menu by pressing this Go Back button a couple of times.